So often I hear people say that they want a Torrens titled townhouse, which really means that they don't want to pay the ongoing strata fees and contributing to the strata fund. Well, this property is for you. This property is so rare to find and will be snapped up really quickly. Set in a very desirable location with the Tarrawanna village green across the road, you benefit from an open outlook to the north and a sense of space around you. You will enjoy this very well presented townhouse style home, which features 3 bedrooms, an ensuite and single garage with internal access, as well as a very private covered pergola area, perfect for entertaining friends and family. You are centrally located to the Tarrawanna neighbourhood shops and Corrimal major shopping centre. Tarrawanna Shops provides a Thai restaurant, a microbrewery, one of the best fish and chip shops in the area, and the Meadow Street greengrocers, as well as the Tarrawanna Primary School. This location really can provide you with a lovely, relaxed and enjoyable lifestyle. I'm Joanne Danckwardt from One Agency JD Property Agents, and I'd like to welcome you to this terrific townhouse style home at 4 Adelaide Place, Tarrawanna. I would love to see you at one of my opens. Thank you for watching and bye for now.